Ito ang speech ng isang nagtapos sa UP Diliman na summa cum laude noong taong ito. Sa lahat ng sistema sa buong mundo ng pamamahala ay imposibleng mangyari ang kanyang mga sinasabi. Wala sa panahon natin ngayon. Ang gusto niyang mangyari.
We serve in the public service and some of us may become the next Supreme Court Justice, member of the House of Representatives, senators, or even president. Huwag sana natin tularan ang mga politikong pinanday ng UP, ngunit mas inuuna ang sarili bago ang bayan. As we embark on the next chapter of our lives, I do not encourage you to always be optimistic that when we look at the struggles of our fellow Filipinos, we always look for the silver lining. Because in reality, not all situations can be viewed through the lens of a half-full glass. Sometimes, looking at the glass half empty is the better thing to do. Using this half-empty perspective, it enables us to recognize the systemic root causes of our problems, challenge the status quo that perpetuate them, and to hold our leaders, elected leaders, accountable.
Mala-paraisong daigdig ang gusto niyang mangyari, na wala ng kahirapan at puro kasiyahan.